What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to show you 5 more satisfying science toys. Let's see what I got this time. So I got here boiling hot water, any liquid will do. And I got here mug steam engine. You put it on your coffee mug or whatever, get it going, and once it starts steaming it's actually going to run automatically. The other way they go. And just gonna go faster and faster. How cool is that? Okay, let's try a different one, different design. Set this up on a coffee mug, and then all we have to do is just spin it. This one feels like even more efficient. It's going so fast. It doesn't even do the clicking noise. Just a little bit. This is so epic. Well, I really like that one, steam engine for your coffee mug. I'll take that off. And I have another one, looks like this, with the acrylic glass. It takes a minute to preheat, and once you're gonna get it going, it's going to start spinning. There you go. I can't believe this one is still running. There you go, this one is starting to speed up as well. This one doesn't spin as fast as these two. So which one is your favorite? I really like this one a lot because it does that clicking noise and you can actually see through what's happening. Takes a minute to heat up and then it's going to start going. And it's funny how at first it's going slow and then it's going to speed up really fast. You see, once it's heating up, it's going to go really fast. So every time you make yourself a cup of tea or cup of coffee, you can enjoy this little steam engine for your mug. Definitely makes it a really cool present too. Look how fast it's going now. Coolest part is that you can actually turn it and see what's happening. On this side. Next we got here noodles cradle, but this one is way cooler than a regular one. Everybody played with one of those. There's a different ways to set them off. It's kind of fun. Oh, but at the same time it's pretty satisfying. Well, guess what? This one actually light up. Yeah, there you go. They turn blue, and when you lift one up and it's not laying down here, it turns red. Same thing right here, same thing to all of them if you lift them all up. So, and whenever you lift it and hit, you see how it's turning red and then blue as soon as it touches. So cool. I really like this noodle cradle a lot. And then you can do little tricks. You can go 2 at the time, and if you look, both of them light up red whenever it's 2 at the time. And right here too. So it gives you a little extra spin of fun by having them light up. You see how they turn red and blue when they touch? Very cool. Couple tricks. It's just double satisfying. First of all, you got yourself noodles cradles, they're already fun and fun to hear how they're making noises, but on top of it, they light up. You see how they change color? And I'm pretty sure there's a different setting mode. You can just make them blue and only red. That's probably even better. You see how they light up red? And you can do it opposite, only red and then they light up blue. With the red and blue probably is the best. So you got here 3 different colors, blue and red, blue and red. Very awesome. For the next toy, it's a little airplane on this side and right here a little bar and a counterweight right here. So what happens when you set it on this spool and just spin it right here? It just bouncing right in the middle and not falling off. So even though it's very long stick on one side and very short on this side, and it's still not falling off, but at the same time that airplane looks like it's flying. Pretty fun desk science toy for sure. Next I got here iMore, animation in your pocket. So you got here animation strips and there's different ones. Skeleton, giraffes, fish, running man, monkey, tiger, just whole bunch of stuff. So you slide in one in here and you look through these lenses and see what happens. So you run it like that and it looks like this person does the flips. Pretty cool, right? Okay, and let's do a different one. There's a skeleton running. This right here is a pendulum wave. Put all the bolts together, and as you can see, there's a strings shorter, longer, and they keep going longer to where this is the longest and the shortest. And they're slowly going up. So now what I'm going to do is grab this stick and push them all forward and let go. Fail. The more symmetric you're gonna set it up, the better it's going to spin. But in the beginning this one does a really good job. That's so satisfying out here. Again. That's such a cool patterns. And there's a snake pattern. And they join together. There you go, pendulum waves. I really like them a lot. Sometimes if you spin it less, it actually works a little better. When you try to spin it really hard, it goes all over the place. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this video. Subscribe to my pet channel, links in description. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.